From the students of the Department of Meteorology and Atmospheric Science, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Hello and happy Monday. My name is student meteorologist Brendan Schmalenberger here with your CNET forecast. Take a look behind me as we transition to the Arboretum right now. Not nearly as much snow as that last photo that was pictured, but we do have just a couple spots on the ground here and there as temperatures remain chilly enough to keep some of the snow from all the way into last week on the ground. As of right now, around 23 degrees or so, visibility 10-mile winds are mostly calm, only around 8 to 10 miles per hour coming in from the northeast, although it does feel like 14 degrees. It's been a very chilly day, really chilly start of the morning specifically. As of radar though, for right now, really nothing too much. We just have a couple of clouds really lingering by. That's about all of what we're seeing. Again, temperatures are pretty uniform throughout the Commonwealth in itself, around 23 in State College, 25 in Pittsburgh, with chilly 22 up in Erie, Bradford around 16. However, on the eastern coast, we do have just reaching into the 30s with Philadelphia right on down there. However, it has been very chilly, getting again, as I mentioned, much colder throughout the rest of the state. Negative 13 in State College, negative 11 out in Pittsburgh. Really a general colder trend that we've seen, especially going into the last couple days. As far as winds go, Philadelphia looking around 15 miles per hour, so nothing too terrible. Erie 13, Pittsburgh 10, but again, only around 8 in State College, making it feel just a little bit colder than it might actually be. But besides that, nothing too terrible to say the least. Those feels like temps around 14 in State College, 15 in Pittsburgh, 10 in Erie. Temperatures. That's the name of the game today. Again, around 20 down in Philadelphia. As far as temperatures go for the rest of this week, we're going to be seeing a little bit, still only under 30s coming into Tuesday, Wednesday, going up to around our high of the week, around 38 degrees or so before dropping back on down to the 30s and eventually high 20s to wrap up the weekend for Friday and Saturday. As far as our radar goes, though, for the next couple days, well, let's take a look. We have a bit of this cloud coverage that's coming through here up until around later tonight. That'll start to head on out. Past this, we're going to be getting just a couple clouds starting to come up early into Tuesday morning. Beyond that, more clouds across the rest of the Commonwealth. Really not a whole lot of sun that we're going to be seeing right now all the way up into early Wednesday morning. But as we get later on into Wednesday morning around 8 and 9 a.m. or so, keep in mind if you happen to be traveling, we could be seeing a little bit of a wintry mix down in southwest Pennsylvania. Some snow possibility as well, and transitioning later on into a mix of rain around noontime come Wednesday. This will continue to move on out before we have a couple scattered showers and some snow showers, specifically on the western portions of the state. As of tonight, going all the way down to 8 degrees, very, very low, very chilly. That wind will start to die down just a little bit, so we don't have to worry about any of the wind chill factors coming in. But luckily tomorrow it will start to go up just a little bit, around 30 degrees. Winds from the south around 11 miles per hour. Really no chance of precip, just mostly cloudy conditions with a couple peaks of sun here and there. Go ahead and look at our 7-day forecast up ahead. Again, Wednesday we're seeing that high of the week coming around just under 40. 39 degrees, 28 is the low. Snow and then eventually rain coming around noontime as we saw. Saturday and Sunday dropping all the way back down into those 20s before Monday. We're seeing around 22 degrees, lows of 18, 13, and 18. Definitely getting very chilly as we head into the latter parts coming up in December. That's all I got for you today. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.